What's up, you beautiful fuckers? My name is the Programming Hal, and welcome back to Programming Basics. This is the start of Phase 2! Rip headphones. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at strings and... yeah, strings. Now, we've already looked at strings before. We know that if we set a string, for example, my string, you can call it whatever you want. But if we set a string to value, we output that value, we write line that value, we get that value. Great, tutorial over. You didn't think it was going to be over that quickly, did ya? Now, inside of here, I can go my string dot, and you see there's a lot of things here, right? So let's say I wanted to find the length of this. I could go dot length. We should get 5. Because hello consists of 5 characters. We do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something interesting, if you don't know about this, if I go index of, which if I put in a character, a single character here, it'll show me at what index does that character first appear. So if I go big H, we'll see something strange. It's at index number 0. Because in programming, we start counting from 0, not from 1. So this is index 0, index 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the last index will always be 1 less than the length of the word. If I put an L here, it's gonna write 2 because that is the first index of that character. If this were to become something else, like a J, hello, we see that outputs 3, but if I convert this back to an L, it says 2. Right now, those functions could be useful, but of course there is 2 upper or 2 lower, and that is a function, so we need to do that. Ta-da! All lowercase. And then 2 upper does right what it says on the tin, all uppercase. Now, there's also, for example, a contains, which takes in a substring. So let's just say LO. Now, this is going to tell me whether or not my string contains the substring. So basically, the string within the string, a part of a string, named LO. And in this case, it does, because LO is here. So we should get a return true, and we do. But if I switch around with these and go OL, for example, it's going to return false because OL is not a substring of my string. Get it? Okay. So let's just go ahead and explore, I guess. So dot, and we can see there are a lot here. Replace, that's an interesting one. I think that takes in 2 strings. It does. It seems like it does. So EL could be whatever. Does it do that? Hello. Yes, it does. Hey. So that's replace. Now let's see. Contains 2 lower. As memory, as band clone compared to la. Ends with, I guess this just tells me the last thing. Ends with O. Does it do that? Does it return? Yes, it returns a true value. And if it doesn't, yes, it's false. Okay, so I'm not gonna go through it all, but you get the gist. Phase 2, episode 1 is now complete. If you like what you saw,
could you try again?
If you like what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that kind of stuff. Comment down below if there's something in this you didn't understand. Remember, I have a Patreon, I have a Discord, and everything. It's in the description down below. Until next time, happy coding!